Shanghai Silk Road International started as a bridge company between China and other countries along the Silk Road. China's initiative of rebuilding the historic Silk Road was one of the reasons why we incorporated our company exactly in China. It is our mission to be part of this great initiative, One Belt, One Road, by promoting international entrepreneurship and trade. Today, we serve our worldwide clients by offering trade solutions, import and export, various products from and to China and other countries, international logistics, product sourcing and quality check. We also offer business consulting services, from worldwide company registration to marketing, to management and strategy, to operations, to human resources, to full branding, to web design and cross-border e-commerce solutions. We support fresh entrepreneurs in their business ventures by providing them early-stage business mentorship and guidance. For more information, you can visit our website silkroadinter.trade or send us an email at contact@silkroadinter.trade. At Silk Road International, we promote global entrepreneurship and connect the nations. We believe in the power of trade and business.